I'm on my way to Starbucks. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. None of my coworkers are up because it's Seattle time, and I'm still on Virginia time where it's 9 o'clock in the morning, so oof. Gonna go edit yesterday's vlog, hopefully in time for work, so I can release that, and then record today's vlog, because today's gonna be interesting. There's a lot of crap happening for OpenSearchCon, and just a lot of crap happening in general, so I'm looking forward to doing this stuff for OpenSearchCon. I love that everyone brings their dogs here. It's phenomenal. Makes every day better. I ruined it. Alright, go ahead.
I've got so much stuff to do today. It's amazing. This coffee cup is like filled up to here right now. I've got to get it all the way down here and then fill it up like 4 more times.
Anyhow, lots of fun stuff today preparing for OpenSearchCon.
Yes. Today.
Hacktoberfest.
Hacktoberfest.
Yeah, got to get all the swag together for that.
Swag. Partner meeting.
Partner meeting.
Swag for OpenSearchCon.
We've got to pack the swag for OpenSearchCon. We have to finish planning. I feel like the media stuff for OpenSearchCon is not finished. Like,
we're close. We're really close.
We're really close.
We have a good plan, I think.
Create content. I had a really great discussion with Peter yesterday about security and OpenSearch.
Cool.
For like an hour.
Oh, nice.
And it was totally lost. Not
Yeah,
lost, I guess.
Peter's fantastic.
Peter's super. Peter, congratulations. You're gonna make it into the vlog.
VIP happy hour tonight.
VIP happy hour tonight. I'm gonna get my rectangular badge because
Oh yeah,
that's what the cool kids do.
you gotta get that.
Gotta get the badge, man. And I have someone who knows how to get the badge, which is the most important part. Because anything at Amazon is a process, and you have to find the one sole wizard who knows the process. You're the wizard of the day.
Oh, I don't know about that.
You're a wizard,
We'll
Chris.
figure it out.
I know, we'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll get there eventually. So I'm just realizing that I've not held my camera like this for an extended period of time, and holy hand, my hand hurts. Okay, just wave hi.
Just act
Wave
natural.
hi, act natural.
You want us to look at the camera?
Look at the camera, say hello.
Not the microphone.
Use
really
words.
scared.
It's not a picture. Hi, buddy. Okay, what's his name?
Kylo.
Hi, Kyla.
Hi, buddy. Sit down.
Hey.
That
Hi.
camera.
Oh, you're so happy. Oh, hi. Going down, down in an earlier round. Sugar, we're going down, swinging. We're going to find Natalie to get boxes for all of our OpenSearch swags. Hey, look, there's Daryl. Where's Natalie? Nobody knows.
It's over there.
We should just start hollering. Natalie! 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 I know, right? She's probably at Fremont Studios. She's probably like, guys, where are you?
No, she's sitting out in front of that green card.
Yeah.
And
Man,
here's
so-
the rest of our confused team right here.
Natalie! We were just looking for you and we couldn't find you.
Oh, great, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we need 2 people to carry, 1 person to record, and 1 to direct.
I guess I know who's recording.
Yeah, I know, right? I came to be super helpful.
Good to meet you. Mitty, good to meet
What's
you.
up? I'm Hannah. Nice to meet you.
Going to find carts to haul off all the bags we can because our goodie bags are getting stuffed right now. We have 400 goodie bags and they are all over the place, so. Hauling off all the boxes. Oh wow. Thank you. I'm just going to pick up some speakers that need to go inside of all of our bags, and then taking another trip to the studio to deliver those. And now I need to find shipping. This place is huge. Hey, perfect timing. You guys want to help? Sure. We're shuttling boxes off.
Here, hang on.
Here, thank you. I will happily film and bring everyone to where they need to go, so. Holy cow. Yeah. Now you get your post-lunch workout.
Yeah.
This is the funniest thing ever. So we can take them and if we want to put them in this little section here on the edge, that way we can load up the Ubers. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so funny. I'm sitting here with like a ton of boxes for OpenSearchCon, and we're literally just like ordering as many Uber XLs as we can to get them shipped over. We've already done 3 loads so far. We're about to do another 3 and deliver these. What the frick?
And after that, I think Lucene and Lucidworks ran out of money and they started